Home energy efficiency upgrades start with energy-efficient window replacement, and Crestview Florida homeowners can see immediate gains from high-performance windows, insulated vinyl windows, low-E glass windows, double-pane windows, triple-pane windows, and thermal window upgrades. In Crestview, Florida, the right energy-saving window installation helps reduce monthly utility costs, improve indoor comfort, and support better temperature control through hot Gulf Coast summers and cooler seasonal swings. For residential window replacement and commercial window installation alike, choosing draft-resistant windows, noise-reducing windows, and UV-blocking windows can make a noticeable difference across homes, offices, storefronts, and rental properties in Crestview, Florida. Energy-efficient windows. Crestview works best when matched to the property's needs, and custom window installation offers the flexibility to fit older homes, modern builds, and commercial spaces across Okaloosa County. Energy-saving window contractors. Crestview often recommend vinyl window frames, fiberglass window frames, and insulated windows in Crestview, Florida for improved durability and performance. With custom energy-efficient windows in Crestview, property owners can target solar heat gain reduction, reduce drafts, and create a more efficient building envelope with window insulation services, window sealing and caulking, and precision fit installation methods designed for Northwest Florida window replacement services. Low-E window installers. Crestview frequently emphasize the value of low-E glass windows paired with argon-filled glass windows for stronger insulation and better year-round performance. These high-efficiency glass windows. Crestview Florida solutions help control heat transfer, improve comfort, and support cost-saving window upgrades for both single-family homes and larger commercial properties. When paired with argon gas-filled windows, Crestview homeowners can expect enhanced thermal performance, while UV protection windows. Crestview Florida can help reduce fading on flooring, furniture, and interior finishes. Energy-efficient windows. Crestview remains one of the most popular options for homeowners seeking affordable and effective residential energy-efficient windows. Crestview. Many Crestview Florida home window upgrades also include triple-pane energy-efficient windows. Crestview Florida for maximum insulation, especially in properties that need stronger climate control and superior sound reduction. Whether the goal is insulated windows in Crestview, Florida for a house near traffic corridors or thermal window installation in Crestview for a newer build, double-pane windows and triple-pane windows both support better comfort, lower energy use, and improved home energy efficiency upgrades. Crestview Florida vinyl window replacement continues to be a leading choice for property owners looking for dependable, low-maintenance performance. Vinyl window frames are widely used in energy-efficient windows. Crestview Florida because they resist weathering, support strong insulation, and provide excellent value for residential window replacement and commercial window replacement. Crestview Florida projects. For those seeking insulated vinyl windows, the combination of durable frames, energy-efficient glazing, and proper installation can create long-term benefits for Crestview Florida window replacement needs across neighborhoods and business districts. Energy-efficient windows. Crestview retrofit services are ideal for properties that need better performance without a full-scale remodel, and Crestview Florida window retrofit specialists can help improve comfort with thermal window upgrades, sealing, caulking, and upgraded glazing. For homes and businesses needing a smarter path to efficiency, eco-friendly window solutions and energy-efficient window replacement can be tailored to the structure, budget, and location. In Panhandle, Florida, window efficiency upgrades, retrofit options are especially useful for aging properties, rental homes, and commercial spaces that want better insulation, lower heat gain, and more reliable performance. Crestview Florida hurricane-resistant energy-efficient windows are an important investment for properties exposed to severe weather, wind, and driving rain in Northwest Florida. Hurricane-rated energy-efficient windows combine strength with insulation, making them an excellent option for homeowners who want protection and efficiency in one upgrade. Crestview Florida draft-proof windows and Crestview Florida hurricane-resistant energy-efficient windows also help reduce air leakage, support better indoor comfort, and offer added peace of mind during storm season while meeting the needs of local residential and commercial properties. Solar control matters in a warm climate, which is why Crestview Florida solar control windows and UV protection windows Crestview Florida are in such high demand. These high-performance windows are designed to reduce solar heat gain reduction, improve interior comfort, and limit glare while still allowing natural light into living rooms, offices, and storefronts. For homes and businesses across Crestview, Florida, solar-controlled glass, low-E coatings, and advanced framing materials can support better year-round performance and reduce the burden on HVAC systems. Window insulation services Crestview, Florida are especially valuable when older windows begin to leak conditioned air or allow outside temperatures to affect indoor spaces. Window sealing and caulking, combined with insulated vinyl windows, fiberglass window frames, and precision fit installation, can significantly improve efficiency in homes and commercial buildings. Whether the project involves residential energy-efficient windows Crestview, commercial window installation, or commercial window replacement Crestview, Florida, proper insulation services help maximize the benefits of every window replacement project. Energy-efficient windows Crestview, Florida are a practical upgrade for homeowners seeking better comfort, lower energy bills, and long-lasting value in Crestview, Florida. From window replacement Crestview, Florida to Crestview, Florida home window upgrades, the most effective solutions often include double-pane window replacement Crestview, triple-pane energy-efficient windows Crestview, Florida, and low-E glass windows with argon-filled glass windows. For property owners comparing options, insulated windows in Crestview, Florida, custom window installation, and energy-saving window contractors Crestview all provide pathways to better performance and stronger curb appeal. Crestview, Florida window installation services also support businesses that need reliable performance, clean presentation, and reduced operating costs. Commercial window installation and commercial window replacement Crestview, Florida can improve building efficiency, comfort, and appearance while helping reduce outside noise and energy loss. For offices, retail spaces, and multi-unit properties, noise-reducing windows, draft-resistant windows, and thermal window installation in Crestview create a more productive and comfortable environment that aligns with modern efficiency goals. Crestview, Florida window replacement services are most effective when they combine local knowledge, durable materials, and the right product match for the climate. Whether the project calls for high-performance windows, energy-saving window installation, window retrofit services, or hurricane-rated energy-efficient windows, the best results come from pairing product quality with expert installation. For homeowners and businesses in Crestview, Florida, Okaloosa County window installation, Northwest Florida window replacement services, and energy-efficient window replacement all support stronger performance, better comfort, and long-term value.